Welcome back to another video from Lord Gizmo. Today we'll be showing you some of the world's largest mining equipment. But before moving to the video, make sure to subscribe, like, and share. Don't forget to turn on notifications to see more great content like this. The Komatsu Gen3 L2350 is a wheel loader with an operating capacity of 72,574 kilograms and can center load haulage trucks with payload ratings ranging from 320 to 400 plus tons. It is the most powerful and productive wheel loader in its class, which is designed to meet global mining requirements. With the integrated SR hybrid drive system, the lowest possible fuel consumption levels are now possible. This beautifully crafted beast is well suited for blending applications and ideally works for operations with frequent equipment relocations or moves during blasting cycles. It's a masterpiece, no doubt. The Liebherr R9800 blends versatility and productivity to satisfy the operator's needs, since this Liebherr mining excavator comes with a 2,984 kilowatt diesel engine. At the same time, an electric drive variant is also available. The T264 or T284 mining truck pairing with the R9800 offers a cost-effective, highly efficient mining option for large-scale mining operations. This backhoe machine can accommodate any load up to 800 tons without any effort. On the other side, the face shovel can withstand any payload of up to 810 tons. The CAT 7495 is a high-performance electric mining shovel made in two models. The 7495HR is a hard rock version, and the 7495HF is a high-float version used where low ground pressure is needed, such as oil sand excavation. Both models' shovels are capable of extracting 100 tons of material at a time and can load large mining trailers in 2 to 3 passes. The dipper capacity ranges from 27 to 61 cubic meters. This monstrous hydraulic shovel is a masterpiece made by CAT. It takes power from a 3,023 horsepower diesel engine, which delivers reliable power and torque, making the 6090 FS both agile and productive. Combining their low fuel consumption with a sophisticated hydraulic system, the excellent fuel efficiency of the CAT 6060 directly leads to lowering the cost per ton or cubic meter driven. Faster lifting speeds are reached because the structure requires smaller diameter boom cylinders to be used. In short, it's an engineering marvel. These large dozers take power from an 1150 horsepower or 860 kilowatt engine and weigh at around 157 tons in its super dozer version. The machine itself is stunning, as it is 16 feet tall, 41 feet long, and built with a 24-foot wide dozer blade. It is massive and capable of handling 125 cubic yards of material in one pass. Clearly, it'll move any amount of material needed. The Metso Lokotrack LT220D Mobile crusher incorporates a cone crusher with a screen on the same chassis. It is usually used as a secondary or tertiary crushing plant in a multi-stage crushing process to produce up to 3 calibrated end products. The lightweight design makes it simple to transport between sites. Both the crusher and the projector operate on a single Cat C13 diesel engine. Full power is made available to the crusher using hydraulic power transmission, resulting in decreased fuel consumption and operational costs. Today's industries are looking to streamline transport assignments and make them more sustainable. Therefore, considering self-driving vehicles is not a bad idea. That is why Scania is working on a cabless autonomous concept truck, requiring no driver at all. However, this isn't an electric truck. It actually has an internal combustion engine, but Scania is working on its renewable biofuel-powered variants. The modern ETF haul truck is capable of dragging 4 times more rocks than the typical giant yellow monstrous mining trucks. It is able to carry up to 400 tons in a single load. The truck is also even more robust thanks to the central tire inflation system. The machine always controls and adjusts each wheel's height to counteract road bumps. If the tire unexpectedly deflates, the machine will instantly warn the driver and raise the wheel to allow the driver to continue driving. Hey guys, thanks for watching our video. What did you think of these technologies? Let us know down in the comments below. If you enjoyed, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel. Make sure to hit that notification bell to get notified when we release new content.